welcome to the International Talent Academy. My name is Katerina, and today I will be teaching you a short, simple dance from one of your favorite Disney movies, The Little Mermaid. Let's get started. The very first move is a simple move. I call it a step touch. Let me show you. Step, touch, step, touch. Now let's make sure we have our hands on our hips, and let's do it together. Ready? And step, touch, touch. Very nice. Now you're going to do that 2 times this way and 2 times the other way. Ready? And step, touch, other way, step, touch. Very nice. One more time, then we'll keep going. So if you're having difficulties, just know it's 2 times to the right and 2 times to the left. One more time. And step, touch, touch, touch. Awesome. Our next move is what I like to call paint the rainbow. You bring your hands all the way up like you're painting a rainbow and bring it together. And while you're doing this, we're doing the step touch that we just learned, right? So let's try the hands first. So you're going to make a big circle around. Very nice. Make it the other way. Big circle around. Now let's put it together with the feet. Ready? And step. Together and step. Together. Awesome. Let's do that all together from beginning. Ready? And to the left. Step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together. Again, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together. Paint a rainbow. And together. And paint a rainbow. Together. Very nice. Our next move is when you just look around, kind of like you're looking for something. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand to your forehead and spin in a circle like you're looking for something all around you. Ready? So we're going to go one way and then we're going to go the other way. Ready? And spin. 2, 3, 4. Other way, spin. 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Your bottom hand can either be in a flexed position or down, however you like. So let's do this all one more time from beginning. Remember, we have step together and then paint a rainbow and then looking around. Ready? And step. Together, step. Together, other way, step. Together, step. Together, again, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, step. Together, paint a rainbow. And close. Paint a rainbow. And close. And look around. 2, 3, 4. Look, other way, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Awesome. We're almost done. We have a little bit more left. Our next step is what we just did at the beginning, but we're going to add an arm movement with waves, right? Since we're under the sea, the Little Mermaid. So you're going to put your hands on your hips, and you're going to make this motion with your arm, going up and down and up and down. Try that with me. Ready? Up and down, up and down. Imagine either 2 rainbows or like you're going over waves. So let's do that with step touching, going to the left. Ready? So we're going to go step, together, step, together, other way, step, together, step, together, other way, step, together, step, together, and step, together, step, together. Awesome. One of our last moves, we're going to go all the way up and reach up like you're reaching to the top of a mountain and back down. And other way, reach up and look at your beautiful hands and come back down. And lastly, you're going to give a nice little spin and pose. And that's it. So I think we can try it with the music now. I'm going to turn on the music and let's get excited. Ready? We're going to start with our step touches. Step, touch, 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 step, touch. Paint a rainbow, down, paint a rainbow, down, and look around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, and wave, other way, wave, and one more time, and now reach up to the mountains, and back down, and other way, up, and down, and nice little spin, and pose. I hope you enjoyed learning this dance with me. I had such an awesome time.